Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. This automatic hand soap dispenser has been an answer to my prayers. My kids come in with the greasiest, dirtiest hands and then they put them all over the faucet and I have to clean the whole bathroom. But this thing has helped out immensely. Oh, where to begin with the brilliance of this soap dispenser. I absolutely love it. It has really just helped out so much with keeping my bathroom clean and sanitary. I love that the kids aren't touching everything before their hands are disinfected. Any mom or parent out there knows that our kids can be pretty messy, but this thing has helped out so much. I love how easy it is to fill. It's got a big open spout and it holds a ton of soap. So whether you're putting hand soap in there or you're using it at your kitchen for dish soap, it's going to hold a lot and you're not going to have to refill it. It takes 4 AA batteries that hold up for a very long time, believe me, and it's adjustable to the amount of soap that you want to dispense just by pushing the plus button or the minus button. It is made of stainless steel and it's not going to rust on you, which is a big deal to me. And I love this see-through reservoir, so you know when you're going to run out of soap, which will take a long time. It also comes in several different colors, but I love how nice the silver is, how it makes my bathroom look. So this automatic hand soap dispenser has just been aces in my book, but that's just my point of view.